We want to be settled but snatched, okay? Settled but snatched.
I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. No, I'm so into it.
Hey you guys, it's Anissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Anissa Dale and here on this channel we discuss everything from motherhood, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that is something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button one time for your girl. As you can see from the title, we are going to be going over my everyday full face foundation routine. So if that is something that you're interested in and seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna get right into the video. First, I'm gonna start with my primer. The primer that I'm gonna be going in with today is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. It's kind of on the high end side, but guys, it is so worth it. This primer is amazing. They tell you to use just a little bit, a dime size, but girl, I go in, okay, on this primer because it just makes my skin feel so good. So I'm just starting by putting this all over my face. It has like a white cast, but don't worry about it. It's gonna go away when you put your foundation on. So yeah, I did my eyebrows off camera just because since we are quarantined, my eyebrows have not been done and they're a little harder to fill in when my eyebrows aren't done. I can't wait until everything opens back up because I really want to get my eyebrows laminated and tinted. Okay, so now that that's on, I'm gonna go in with my It's Bye Bye Pores. I really like this powder, you guys. You can pick it up at Ulta or Sephora or on the It Cosmetics site. But I really like this because I feel like it really helps my foundation last all day long. And I don't put it all over my face. I just put it in certain spots like my cheeks and my nose. And I feel like that really helps control the oil in my face. And it just really locks in my foundation because it's smoothing out those pores. Even though we already smoothed it out with the Tatcha primer, there's nothing wrong with double wear, okay? There's nothing wrong with being a little extra, okay? Look a little crazy, I know, I look a little crazy. But it gets better, okay? It gets better. Next, I'm going to be taking my MAC Gold Light Strobe Cream and just putting it at the high points of my face. Just a little bit. Put some right there, and on my nose. I'm just going to use a regular little brush to kind of push that in so it gives the skin a little highlight underneath the foundation. And brush the little extra that I have on the brush above my eyebrows. Okay. Now it's time for foundation. Today I'm going to be using the NARS, I believe this is the Weightless Luminous foundation. It's my favorite foundation. I've been rocking with this foundation for a minute. It holds your girl down, okay? And it matches me the best. I feel like NARS shades are really for women of color, and it matches my skin very well. So and I feel like this foundation is really full coverage. You can build it to be full coverage. I just love it, you guys. Everything about it, I love it. This, I honestly have to say, is the only foundation that I run through bottles of. Like other foundations, I just can't get through. This one, I'm running out. I need to go buy some more. Next, we're gonna go in with concealer. Today, I'm gonna be using the Pat McGrath Labs concealer. And I'm just gonna dab that under my eyelids just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Pat McGrath definitely makes sure that we are snatched, ladies. I'm just gonna put this down the bridge of my nose, above my cupid's bow, kind of in the areas where I have like a little darkness, so right here and right here. Also gonna put a little bit on my chin and my forehead. Now I'm gonna be going in with a Makeup Forever. I believe it's a 144 brush. Yes, this is a 144 brush. And just kind of lightly patting that in. I like to use a brush to do my concealer just because it does most of the groundwork for me. Using a beauty blender the whole time takes a lot of work, y'all. It's a lot of work. So, and it's just a lot easier to maneuver the brush first to get the concealer in place and then go in with the beauty blender to really blend it out to give it that seamless, just flawless finish. So I'm gonna go in with the pointed end of my beauty blender and just blend that out. And that just really blends everything together. It melts it all together. Boom. And then my nose. I try to always do like a really precise highlight on my nose just because I don't really like to contour my nose a lot. But if I have to, I will. So just go in with that. All right, let's set this all into place. I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier, the translucent powder. Y'all, this is my holy grail powder. Like, this is what I started with. This is what I know. I tried the Huda powder and it's just too fragrancy for me. Like, it's a beautiful finish, don't get me wrong, but your girl's nose, like, it was just so perfumey. I feel like perfumey, is that a word? I think it is, right? Perfumey. It was so perfumey. So I'm just gonna pat this translucent powder on lightly because my under eyes get really dry, so I don't like to do too much underneath my eyes. Too much powder, I should say, underneath my eyes. Really just pat that on. And I'm just placing the powder in all of the areas that I highlighted. I am just going to set the rest of my face in place, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way powder in the shade Chai. Is it Chai? It's Chai, right? Chai. Chai. It's Chai. I think it's Chai. So the places that I didn't hit with that powder, I'm just going to kind of set it with this one. Kind of blend that all together. Next, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. The bronzer that I'm using is the NARS Punta Punta Cana. I believe that's what it's called, NARS Punta Cana. And I'm gonna be using a Morphe M527 brush. Yes, NARS. We want to be settled but snatched, okay? Settled but snatched. And y'all, a little bit of this NARS bronzer goes a long way. But it blends out beautifully. And your girl has a 5 head. So this 5 head right here, I go in on the contour, y'all. I go in. I have to. My forehead is so damn big, like, and everybody in my family got big ass foreheads, okay? It's not just me, so it's hereditary, okay? But I love this bronzer. It's so pretty. It's not red. It's like perfect for my skin tone. It has a little bit of shimmer in it too. Boom. Okay. I am gonna put on a little bit of blush. The blush that I'm going in with is the Milani Romantic Rose. I really love this blush. So pretty on me, you guys. It'll be pretty on you too, I'm sure. But it's pretty. It's very pretty. And like I said, settled but snatched, okay? Settled but snatched. And I like to go in on the blush, y'all. I liked that flesh look. I really like it. Boom. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put some powder, some more of the translucent powder underneath where I just went ham, the bronze and the blush. I'm gonna let that sit for a little while, and while we're letting that sit, you know what? I think I am gonna contour my nose just a little bit, still with that NARS powder. Just blend that contour into your eyebrows, your nose contour. Like so. Alright, I'm gonna put a little powder on the sides. Just to define that. Hi, baby.
I want juice.
Juice? You want juice? Okay. All right, I'm gonna brush that powder off. I don't want it sitting too long. Boom. Babies? Okay. Okay. So the highlighter I'm going to be going in with today is the MAC Gold Deposit. I love this highlighter. It looks really good on women of color. Just pop that in right there. All right. Now I'm gonna spray some setting spray. So that melts everything in together. And the setting spray I used was the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'm just gonna pop some quick eyeshadow in on my lids, and I'm gonna be using a Sigma eyeshadow in the color Topaz, and I'm just gonna kind of sweep that all over my lids. It's kind of like a neutral shimmery brown color. I'm gonna put that all over my lid right there, kind of blend that out. Same thing on this eye, kind of pack it on and then blend it out. I'm gonna throw some mascara on. The mascara that I'm using is the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye mascara.
Mommy.
Hmm. So I'm gonna throw some lashes on. The lashes that I'm gonna be using today are the Allure London Jordan Woods Chop It Like It's Hot Meek lashes. Y'all, can we talk about Jordan Woods real quick? Okay, girl is doing her thing since that scandal. Okay, has blown up since the scandal, and I have to say I kind of like her more now. And I said what I said. Okay, I like her more now without the Kardashians. Okay. But these lashes are fuego, okay? Very fire. They are beautiful. They're cheap. They're just perfect, Jordan. They're just perfect.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Mommy's putting some makeup on.
Happy.
What happened?
What happened?
What happened?
Whoops.
Whoops. For lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with the ColourPop BFF2.
Whoops. Whoops. What? What?
And then for lipstick, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Makeout Break. And then Fenty Beauty Sweet Mouth Gloss. So that is it, you guys. This is the final look. This is my full face foundation routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.